Sarasota, Florida is not what I expected. Of course, they have some gorgeous beaches, but they also have a strong food game, surprising music and party scene, and a cool artsy side. But let's discuss the beaches, shall we? Miles of soft white sand and warm, salty ocean will surely melt away any troubles. And the food. Whether you want a perfectly balanced Negroni on tap at the Overton in the trendy Rosemary District or Baja tacos at a beach shack like the Hub, it all makes for a delicious time. And the music and party scene was certainly unexpected. I was lucky enough to be here for the Jazz Festival where live music was citywide, and many venues like the Rooster have incredible live music year-round. And finally, Sarasota has an artsy side. I visited the Marie Selby Botanical Gardens, where the entire landscape was taken over by their Salvador Dali exhibit. It was incredible how Dali-inspired art was interwoven into nature. The warm, sandy shores of Sarasota are beckoning, and trust me, no matter what you're into, Sarasota has something for everyone.